This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. So yesterday I was explaining the key fields which makes an identity of post sales documents followed by contracts. You all understood, right? Now we'll see the rest of the status now. So let me log in. Yes. You all can see the screen, right? Can you all see the screen and hear me clearly? All right. Thank you. Okay. So go back to the IMG screen and sales and distribution down. So we understood, I mean, you all understood what fields makes an identity of each document type. Now, here you see other features. In this, must and mandatory among the header is 1 and 2 and 3. And what others are there? They are optional. Convert language, it's an optional. Define purchase order type, it's an optional. Order reason, it's an optional. Usage indication, it's an optional. So understand a point here. Since you're learning, you should know about the purpose of everything. During the project, you may do or you may not. Identification of a document is by document type need to be done. Unless and until the number ranges are connected, the document type cannot be executable. And unless and until the document type is connected to a sales area, it cannot be operatable. So logically, these three are must. Convert language for each sales document type. It is not a mandatory step. It is one of the feature. If customize how it will work, you will understand. Define purchase order type. What are the various sources through which customer is coming to buy? From our module, that SD model point of view, customer is coming through how many sources? That is the concept of purchase order type. That is, for example, you want to buy a, say we are working what Zara. You want to buy a shirt. Think how you go, how you are reaching Zara company. You are reaching through web. You are reaching through walk into store, or you are going to call and place an order. Reason sources are many, so they all are purchase order types. Order reason: what made you to place an order, what made you to reject an order, all reasons, good and bad reasons. Because when customer is buying for betterment services purpose, the company asks, sir, what you made you to buy our brand? You tell about your opinion. If you are canceling or rejecting, then they'll ask you, sir, what is the reason? Then they'll ask again, right? So, order reason tells you about good and bad reasons. Usage indicator, you are using a document type for what usable purpose. Assign sales area to sales document type. You are using a document type for what? When you're using sorry I'm sorry, assign is anyway we'll discuss. Define usage indicator. You are using a document type for what purpose? Because you see in a company, you'll see a product sales, you see a service sales, you see what you say accessory sales. So different kind of usages you'll see. So what kind of usages? All right, so they are optional and these green mark are mandatory. So let us start one by one understanding. Convert language for each sales document type. So here you name a language we have. Here you name a language we have. So click on new entries, click on the drop down. Remember, in one server, one language can be used one time. In one server, one language can be used one time. So, for example, everybody want to take English. So I'll take English. And here we work on what Zara. I say ZAR 1 hour document. And here I give EN. Somebody has used this already English. So I cannot take English. I need to try some other language. So what happened during the live project? During the live project, the document again is usable one time only. The language key will be used one time only. So I say JAIN. So inquire as per Japanese standards. Again, you may think, sir, why we need to use this? See, think you have IN 1, IN 2, IN 3. Like this you made. Okay, so when you have a copy of one document made as multiple copies, sir, why we make, you may think. Think, for example, what offers you give in India, it may not in USA. What offers you give in USA, it may not in UK. So one document, if I'm connecting to all countries, all will get the same features. How it is possible? How it should be possible? It is not, right? So we made multiple document types. Since the server is globally usable, when the user gets into the front end to select a document type, say here for example IN, that is English speaking countries, INJA, Japanese speaking countries, INAR, Arabic speaking countries. So inquire as per this country specifications. So language key will tell the document type what you made as IN1, IN2, IN3, which document is usable for what purpose. It will be no more shown in the front end ZAR1, it will be shown as JAIN. So inquiry as per the Japanese speaking standards, Japanese speaking country standards, Japanese country based standards. So I made Japanese language means document will convert to Japanese language. It is not like that, please. So please understand this point. So save it. So our request Zara. So it is only language key which notifies the document usable in which language speaking country standards. Where it has an impact, go back, go to sales document type here and click on position, find ZAR1, enter. It is still showing as ZAR1, right? It takes some time to get server refreshed. After the server get refreshed, you will see it is converting to the language key what we have given. So for example, I just want to show you the other batch one. Just a minute. Allow me a minute, please. See here, it is one of the student like you made. So AC1 is the document type. When I say enter, it shows as ENPA, right? So EN as per the PK language key. So it reads the old name, but it presents with the new name. After some time, our Zara also will get updated here, but server need to get refreshed. Okay. So hope understood everybody about the language key concept and how it works. So it is just a key. Even you can read this document, it also explains the same. If you want to use a language specific key for a sales document type, you must allocate the respective keys to the sales document type in the respective language. You can maintain your own keys for the sales document type in every language. It is just a key. Again, I say it is just a key, not a conversion of the language keys. Done. Number ranges. You all know how to create a number ranges, internal and external concept we have seen during the customer master data. The same point here, but the place of purpose is different. So here for sales documents, we have 0 to infinity. Most of the number range is already there. So 0 to so and so, 5 lakhs to 50 to 60, then again 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 24, 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40. Like this, a big number ranges is already taken and given in SAP system itself. So you can pick them as it is. So finally, what I want to say, SAP itself creates a big number ranges for sales documents in the SAP database defaultly. Since we are copying from system default, it extracts automatically. If you see here, internal external already there, internal external already there, internal external already there, like this we have. So number ranges, even though you don't make, still the standards are connected. Even here, even during the live project, we pick these number ranges of system default as it is because a big range already given, so pick them. All right, so please understand this logic, everybody, please. Okay, now define purchase order type. Just now I was saying that. See, these all are trainees made like you. Let me just delete them. Okay. So defaultly in the database, you'll have by oral, by written, by telephone. So whenever you are selling any product of Zara, how the customer is reaching you? It may be through outlet, it may be through walk-in. Anyways, for example, think about Zara showroom only. To showroom, how the customer is approaching. So I say ZAR1, Zara, walk-in, ZAR2, Zara, by call, that is by telephone, ZAR3, Zara, web. It means customer may place an order to Zara showroom about a product by operating web services or by call, that is telephone, or by walk-in. Done. Define order reason. What made you to place an order? What made you to reject an order? See, When particular to Zara, you may not see much of usage of this, right? You may not see much of usage of this here. Because do you have any services? No. Think about Zara accessories, like we have watches, we have shoes, we have belts. We may have the service facility. So Zara is into multi. They have bags, they have belts, they have shoes, they have clothing. Okay, they are into multiple. So I say new entries not required because defaultly in the SAP database only somewhere around 33 to 30, 31 to 33 regions given. So we are placing an order because of excellent service, fast delivery, good price. Today you been to a showroom to buy a product. Tomorrow again you are going to the same showroom. Is it like again to buy a product? No, right? Maybe to buy some accessories, maybe to buy some services. So every time you go for a different purpose, every time you go for a different purpose, right? So understand the logic here. So with respect to Zara, then how it will be, for example, ZAR1, three letters, say ZA1, Zara, product, sales, ZA2, Zara, service sales. So you have a product sales, you have service sales, that's all. For example, a watch, sales is there, a watch, repairs will be there, a jacket, sales is there. If any repairs, yes, it is there. So Zara, they have the sales transaction, they have service transaction, services for repairing, etc. etc. So your thought is the heights here during the live project, everything will be told by the client. Accordingly, we maintain. Okay, done. So save it back. Now assign sales area to sales document type. Assign sales area to sales document type. This tells you about which document type to be initiated to which sales area. Now here, remember, during the live project, it's all the client who tells. So for example, at an online store, only so and so document should be permittable. Normally, when you go for a shopping, say you go and ask for so and so product, the store person may say, "Sir, that is not available online. You should go only to the store." In store, you are asking, "Sir, that is not permissible at store. You need to go to online only." Or think, for example, you are going to some retail store and asking for a contract signing, then he may say, "No, sir, it is not permittable with us. You need to go to the main outlet." What does it mean? Distribution channels, the product lines, and at a sales location, what type of document type for transaction to be permittable. So here, how many sales areas we have? Online, offline, direct. Three distributors we got: Zara, clothing, accessories, and general. Three division we got, and sales organization as one. So nine sales areas we made. For all nine sales areas, all nine documents to be connected. So how many times? 9 plus 9 plus 9 for every three. So 27 plus 27 plus 27. If we activate all documents to all sales areas, so for each product we have three product line, nine sales areas, right? So online you go, all nine to be, offline you go, all nine to be. So you need to initiate multiple sales areas to multiple documents here. Here I'll be showing all document types connecting to all sales areas, but in the live project only as per the client requirement which documents to be connected to which sales area. It's they who will tell and it's we who will connect. All right, so here there is a small issue. When I'm going, it is getting locked into this area. I'm getting it unlocked. Okay, so it is not an issue at our end. It is not an issue at the server end also. Some training has misused some system defaults. That is, if he might have activated for his usable purpose completely, then there will be no issue. He, with half knowledge, with half knowingly, he disturbed the standards, and it is not connecting to him, and it is not connecting us also. So I need to move the server to few days back so that the disturbed layouts will be reorganized, and then I can reconstruct for you these steps without any issue. So tomorrow we'll see this, and please don't disturb the system defaults. First of all, we are not using any system defaults and we are configuring our own one. But some stages it is must to extract from system defaults. There, changing for with your name is not suggested. You copy it and play with your copy, but not directly on standards. Okay, if doing such, so the server will get crashed. All right, so kindly follow this saying for an hassle-free practice for an easy understanding purpose. So thank you all, and see you in tomorrow session, please. Thank you.